guys, good morning. Time check. It's 6:30 in the morning, December 22 3 22 sorry po, bagong gising. Ito, naglalakad kami papunta dun sa driver namin kasi walang parking spot dun sa malapit sa hotel. Today is Sunday. Nagsisimba kami ngayon dito sa nag-iisang Catholic Church dito sa Baku City, ang St. Mary's Church. Ayun na po sila. Hindi nakikita. Madilim. Let's go. So guys, ito yung Baku. Very early in the morning. Walang ka-traffic. Gusto niyo po ba yun? Ito ang gusto ko. Very nice. Look. Oh, diba? Hinahangin yung Baku flag. Ay, yung Azerbaijan flag. Ayan na po ang Catholic Church. Nakita niyo yung cross? Yun na po yan. So, andito na kami guys sa Catholic Church, St. Mary's Catholic Church ng Baku. Kanina pagdating namin guys, isarado pa. Pero ngayon, bukas na. So, ito. So guys, tapos na kami ng Mass dito sa St. Mary's Catholic Church. Ayan po yung church. And mabilis lang po yung misa guys kasi walang mga kanta-kanta. Kaya pabalik na kami dun sa hotel. Kaya sila magbe-breakfast na. Ang sarap pag picture-picture ngayon kasi walang tao. Tulog pa po sila. Napuyat kagabi. This is our day 4 here in Baku, Azerbaijan. Say good morning.
Good morning. So we're going to the car.
And then?
Guess what we're gonna do?
Yeah.
So
we're
we're
going to the
going-
car and where?
We're going to volcano.
Yes, and see some fire mountain. We're going to Gobustan, Absheron. So let's go. Punta kami sa Gobustan Reserve at pupunta kami sa Mad Volcanoes. Russian old car experience 4x4. Ikaw, this one is old Madi na. Kawabi ka dyan, Madi. Ayan, andyan na sila. Hiwalay kami sa car ngayon. Ayan muna sila dyan. Hiwalay kami ngayon car kasi di kami kasya sa isang car. Guys, andito na kami sa Russian old car. Punta kami sa off-roading dito sa Mad Volcano. Ayan na. Wow, drama.
Mabuhay.
Salamat. Massage. Wow, I like my car massage. I like it. Too much. Boom, 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 boom. So ito nga po guys. Ito na po yung struggle. Ayan. Look dito na natin guys. Yung makikita nyo basta putikan po yan. Dami ship guys. Look, dami ship. So yun. Oh, this is the mothership. This one. Mothership. Guys, paakyat na. Guys, paakyat. Walang hihinga. Woo! 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 Dito na kami sa Mud Volcanoes. More of Smoky Mountain. Yes. Opo guys, eto na nga. Hi! Opa! Okay. Alright, let's go!
Hey,
Karita,
let's go.
Opo! Wala ba?
Kami na!
Santino fly.
Okay, okay. Slow. Linigin na. So, ito yung Mud Volcano.
Coming here.
Uy, maybe it's splash. Mag-splash.
Be careful. Just.
Hi, say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
So nasaan ka? What is this? Tell me.
Volcano. Where are you?
It's a mud.
I'm in Azerbaijan.
Okay.
This is the mud volcano.
Okay.
So guys, tapos na kami dito. Medyo dumami na agad yung tao. Ayan. Pero nauna naman kami. Okay naman. Ayun lang po yung mga muddy part. Yun po yung mud volcanoes. Marami po sila. And merong isang part doon na nag-aapoy talaga. Dito naman kami ngayon sa Gobustan Rock Museum something. So let's go and buy some tickets. You bought some tickets. It's here. That's 10 manat each for adults and then free for kids.
Hello, my friend. Welcome, Azerbaijan.
Hello, welcome.
Welcome, Azerbaijan. My
Excuse
friend.
me, excuse
My
me.
friend. Hello, welcome, Azerbaijan.
So guys, nandito tayo sa museum. So we already bought tickets and let's go inside.
The Greg, can I vlog?
Hold on. No, but if you want to camera you do like this.
If you want to camera you,
Yes. Face the camera with you.
clean
Basta.
washroom.
We're going to the washroom. Tina, say hello. Hello. Okay, you're the.
So basically guys, ina-explain dito yung history at yung mga pinagmulan ng mga Gobustan people dito sa Azerbaijan. Wala lang akong salamin kaya hindi ko siya mabasa. Kalimutan po ng tita nyo, nasa car naman siya. Kaya tinitingnan ko lang yung mga images and ina-appreciate yung mga artifacts. Gusto mo yun? Ganon. So here, picture here. So hey guys, tapos na kami dun sa museum. Dito naman kami sa mga cave kung saan dito talaga nakatira yung mga first populations ng Azerbaijan. Kasi yung Gobustan talaga is yung lugar kung saan talaga ito unang tumira yung mga population dito sa Azerbaijan.
Guys, we have to climb, and I'm the fastest climber. I'm the fastest rock climber in the school.
So.
reaching it? So the first try this. The name is Gavaldash. It is musical
Musical
stone,
stone,
so
yeah.
you can play.
Okay, musical stone.
The secret of them inside they are empty, hollow. That's why they have it.
Jingle bells,
Name that tune!
Robin lady, the Batman wheels, the wheel. Jingle bells, Batman smells, jingle lady. The Batman wheel, lost the wheel, and now he's run away. Hey, jingle bells, Batman smells,
Okay. You know why it sounded like that? Because there's hollow. See? Oh. Hollow inside. Oh, put it up, huh? Put it up. Don't throw, Nino, huh? Put it up. Okay. Put the stone up. Stone carving.
Goats. So what animals you will see here? That animals which they saw, they draw only that one. The typical animals for Gobustan. Goat, bull, like horse, camel. So they didn't draw any elephant, giraffe. They are
Yeah.
not typical animals for here.
Square lang yan.
Ito yung nangutang sa akin, hindi pa
oo.
nagbabayad. eh.
Among Us yung... Among Us yung game.
Ito yung dati kong best friend na. Animal siya, chari. And this one, ito po. They collect rainwater here kasi salty ang Caspian Sea. So they collect rainwater for drinking. And itong meron ditong sign. Ito mga ganito. Once they kill the animal from here, this is their way of collecting the bloods and the innards of the animal. And they put the blood in their face like this as a ritual, as a blessing. So ngayon naman guys, nandito kami sa isa na namang cave. As you can see, cave po ito. Let's go inside! See? Ganda ng view guys. Oh. Let's go inside. Wala naman go inside. Wala naman palang go inside. Ito lang. Bali na prank po ako. Wala po palang papasukan. Ito lang po yun. Nandito na kami sa monument ng first ever drill nung 1846 dito sa Azerbaijan. Yung oil drill nila dito guys. Ito yon. Bali monument lang to. And this one, it's actually working. And there's more over there. May mga information doon kung ilang liters ang na-drill nilang oil every day. The world's first industrially drilled oil well noong 1846. This is just the monument, guys. So ito naman guys, kung totoong nag-work na oil drill. Meron sila nakakuha dyan. We're having lunch here dito sa Halil Ibrahim Sofrasi Restaurant. Let's go! Go eat lunch! Ay nako,
Hello. This is our friend.
what's this name?
His name, I don't know his name. Carlo. This is, no, I call him Carl.
You know this is lovebird?
What are these?
I don't know, parrot.
Yeah.
No, not the parrot. I don't think so. That's a
Parrots
parrot.
can talk.
So dito kami magla-lunch at dumating na yung order namin. Pakita ko sa inyo yung lunch na.
This is squid.
Hello, guys.
Diet ko sa dito.
Diet ako.
Hindi ka makaon eh?
Okay. So guys, they're also eating, what's that?
Cotton candy.
And this is the lake view.
Hello,
Yes.
guys. Not a lake anymore. It's a
Why?
man-made lake.
Yeah, it's a man-made. It's still a lake.
No.
So, tara na. Pupunta na kami guys. Ang next stop namin after nitong lunch namin ay ang Fire Mountain at Fire Temple. So, nandito na kami guys. Sa loob. Papasok na kami sa Fire Temple. Ayan.
Dad!
Before, talaga sila ay mga fire worshippers. So, ayan. Nandito na kami sa Fire Temple.
Fire
We will be exploring this
Cake
tourist
festival.
spot guys of Azerbaijan. Ngayon bibili na ng ticket si
Who's the
Atsara.
handsome
And
window?
that's 15 manat per person and 2 kids again. I don't know how. I think it will be free again. Anong laman dito, Tita Mado? Uy. 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 Sabi ni Lolo, ichika mo na. Dali.
Ano yung bayad ko sa iyo?
Oo nga no. Hello, hirap man. Ito, tapos na kami dito sa Fire Temple. Hindi na rin kami masyado nagtagal kasi medyo maraming tao. Nagpicture lang ng konti, nagbasa-basa ng konti. At dito guys, sa side na to, meron din mga pa-souvenir shops. Pero sabi nung guide namin, medyo pricey daw dito. It's very touristy price sa side na to. Kaya sinabi niya sa amin, sa Old City na lang kami bumili. Ayan. Meron pong pangit dito. So ngayon naman guys, time check, it's already 5:34 at talagang madilim na po siya. Ayan, nandito naman po kami ngayon sa Yanardag, the Burning Mountain. Ayan, where are we, Simon?
We're at the Fire Mountain.
Okay, and then we will go inside first, the exhibition. Ito talaga yung natural, natural gas. See? You see? Okay. Hi. See? Ayan po sila. Lumipad ang aming team.
Para matunghayan ang nag-aapoy na mountain dito sa Azerbaijan. The land of fire.
Yes. Natural gas yan,
Yes.
guys. Pag-wish na tayo dito, Mara. Magkakatotoo lang daw po ang wish, guys. Pag 100 manat ang
Magsusunog ang 100. 100 manat.
mag-wish po tayo, guys.
Can I try?
English first.
Kinapok mo na?
That's our corn.